Hey guys, in this video you will be listening English conversation between two people. Listen carefully. Let's start the video. So first, hi, hello, what is your name? My name is Sheetal. What is your name? I am Ria. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I am from Bihar. Where are you from? I am from UP. How old are you? I am 27. How old are you? I am 29 years old. What do you do? Are you students or do you work? I work at a company. I am a senior manager. What do you do? I work at a bank. I am a general manager. What does your father do? My father works at a hospital. He is a doctor. That's great. What do your parents do? My father is a teacher. My mother is housewife. How many siblings do you have? I have two younger sisters and one elder brother. Great. I have just one younger sister. What do you like to do in free time? I like reading books and singing songs. What's your hobbies? I like hang out with friends and playing video games. What is your marital status? I am married. Are you married? No, I am single. How many languages do you speak? I speak three languages: Hindi, English, Urdu. Where is your sister? She is watching television. What is she doing? She is in her bedroom. How do you spend your evening? I spend them reading book. How did you stop going to work? I stopped it because I established my own company. May I ask you something? Yes. What is your questions? Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channels.